It's day number 18 of the 30-day Shiba challenge, the 30-day buying challenge for Shiba. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, we're still buying Shiba, and this is the 18th day, October 25th, 2021. Now, Shiba is doing well in pricing. It's up 5% of the day, but we're still going to buy a Shiba from Coinbase.com. If you don't have a Coinbase.com account or a Coinbase.com account in anywhere, click on the link below, get started with that as well. And so we're going to go to Coinbase right now, and let's go ahead and buy some Shiba. Okay, buy and sell. So I'm at Coinbase.com, and I'm looking to buy Shiba. Everything is set up here very correctly, and we're going to buy $50 worth of Shiba. And so I'm going to preview this, and we're going to go ahead and put it into the Captain spreadsheet. We're going to buy it now. We're going to take the numbers and the information from Coinbase.com in terms of our transaction. If this is the first time you're watching one of these, just want to walk you through exactly what we're doing. And so what we're going to do is put it right in here, right here. Now we're going to turn this to 18 because we got formulas already being calculated. So it's the 18th day, and we're going to go click on October 25th. We're going to take our Shiba for the day, a little bit over 1 million tokens of Shiba. We're going to paste it right there. So we've actually bought more Shiba today than we did yesterday. So let's go back to Coinbase.com and $48.01. So we can probably follow one of these already because we've done $50 before. So it'll be exactly the same amount in terms of fees and Shiba. And then we're going to take the price what it currently is from CoinMarketCap, and we're going to paste it right. Oh, sorry about that. We're going to paste it right here. And so let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead. And we're going to format our cells. Going to format it. All right. So now we have completed day number 18 in our 30-day Shiba challenge. And this is what we've made so far. Here is our average buying price, which is this price. And today's price, we need to change that to here. So let's change that here. We'll take this price here. We'll put it right there. And then we'll go ahead and format that cell. That would look nice and neat. And change the date, which today is the 25th. And we have this. So total value is over $1,200. We still have a $300 profit, and we still have a nice buying in. So we're still doing well, even though dollar cost average is going up and down, but we still have a profit with this method that we started back on October 8th. So are you with me? Shiba, absolutely. We still have plenty more days left to buy. We buy every day for 30 straight days right here on this channel. And as always, we tweet it out and says, and yes, still buying Shiba. Day number 18 of 30, Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who is with me? And the secret man is usually one of the only people that's with me with this challenge. I think other people are doing it as well on YouTube or Twitter. So congratulations to Shiba. It's going up in price, and also is going up in our bag portfolio. And I know you're liking this as well because your portfolio is looking nice today. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be back on day number 19, which will be Tuesday, October 26th, 2021. And I'll see you on the next video. If you don't have a Coinbase account or eToro account or Webull account to get Shiba or any other stock that's on that portfolio or that platform, click on the link below, get started. I'll see you on the next video.